Let's see how we can generate a pie chart now. I'm going to select the chart and delete it. Once again, select my two columns, go to Insert, and then instead of the bar chart up here, we're going to select on the pie one and do a 2D pie chart. And you can see automatically it will generate the pie chart for us. Like before, we can change the colors by selecting on each, let's say, one pie slice and then changing the color. That will change the color of that slice there. Let's select one of the pie slices again and then right click to add data labels. That will then give us the numbers there. So the same numbers as we saw on the bar, but now in a pie chart form. We can change these numbers to percentages by clicking on the data label, moving across here to label options, and then you can change that from value to percentage. We'll have a percentage there. Or if you select both of those, it will show both. If the contrast isn't looking so good, we can change the text options, make the color white, for instance, and we get a better looking set of data labels. Once again, we can go through and change the title as before as well. Number of fast food restaurants in Australia in 2025. So that's how we can generate a pie chart using Microsoft Excel.